In this video, we will go over how to create your first tour. The first thing you want to do is click on Create New Tour in the top right. Here you will enter in your address. You will notice as you begin to enter the information, sometimes Google will come up with different locations. It is important to make sure the green check mark appears indicating that it is a valid address. Once all the information is in and correct, you can go ahead and create your new customer. You will need to enter in all of the information for the fields that have an asterisk, but you can also fill in the boxes that don't, just to save time for later. At the bottom, you have the option to load the client photo and logo by selecting from your computer, or you can drag and drop your client's photo and logo in the space provided and click Create. You will be brought back to the Create a Tour window to confirm the information entered is correct, and you will see the name appear in the customer field. Now you can click Create Tour. In this video, we will continue to go over how to create your first tour by showing you how to upload your images, adding music, and where all the links are located. At this point, you have created the shell of your tour with the address and your client's information. The next step will be to begin editing your tour. The first thing you're going to want to do is add your images and your videos if you have any. Click on the Add Images Video Upload, and then you have the choice to upload from your computer, drop the files in a box provided, or import from a service. You can choose to have it automatically process the inbox after uploads are complete, or not by clicking this box. Once the process is complete, you can go ahead and sort them by date or name. If you want to delete any, you can do so by checking the delete box. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Process Images. You don't need to wait while it is processing. If you want, you can go back to your tour page and continue to finish some editing. You can add music to your tour by scrolling through the list of songs in here, or you have the option to upload your own MP3 if you desire. When you click on the Tours link tab, you already have some various links available. In this case, branded, unbranded, and gallery. If you have a 3D tour, the branded and unbranded links will also appear here. And you can preview them by clicking any one of these links or the View Tour button at the top. By now you have already created your tour, added images and music, so the next step will be to customize your tour. One thing to keep in mind, when you created your account, the settings you chose will be the default for all your tours. You can, however, choose to assign specific designs to your customers and tours. In this tutorial, we will learn to personalize the settings to this tour. To do this, go to Edit, and all the changes we will be focusing on will be in this Info tab right here. There are several options on this page, but we will be going over a few of the most important ones. What you will want to do is scroll down to the Tour Setup section. The first thing you'll see is the Custom Tour domain. Here you will find the choice of using the customer setting created by TourBuzz or using your own custom domain name. Please review the setup guide if you need any assistance. The next area will be the sponsor. The sponsor is typically your company information. You'll see here by default it will have your company setting. You can also turn this off by choosing No Sponsor if you do not wish to have your information show up on the branded version of the tour. If you do need to make any edits to your sponsor information, you will need to click here, Edit Sponsor. Here you can edit your company name in the link text or your website in the link URL. Then click Save. Next is the design. This is the template that will be used on the tour. By default, it will be set to whatever design the account has been set up with. Here we have Luna, but you can change it at any time. Select the one you want to see and click Preview Design. An additional tab will open up in your browser letting you know what the design will look like with your images so you can get a better idea of what you'll be delivering to your client. You can do this with all of the designs. Additionally, you can edit the design. When you click Edit, you'll be brought to the design editing page where you can make changes to the colors as well as some of the settings. If you want these changes to apply to all of your tours for this client, simply click Save. Otherwise, if this is a client you wish to have their own design for this one tour only, you can click Duplicate, give your design a new name, and then click Duplicate again. Once you do that, you can go ahead and finish your changes and save. For those tours that have a 3D tour, you will have the option to assign a design to the Pocket website. As with the standard design, you can click on the drop-down list and select the design you wish to use, preview, and edit. In the flyer template, you can choose between 4 different styles, A, B, C, and D. You also have the option to password protect the tour, so only the people you want to see the tour can. Another popular setting is the video slideshow mode, aka the Ken Burns effect. This default will be whatever you chose in your account's main setup. Currently, this setting is set to off, but if you would like to give movement to your photos, simply click it to on. In the video slideshow program mode, you can also select what type of movement you would like to have in your images. As you can see, there are several other settings below, but once you've made all of your changes, scroll to the bottom and hit Save. You can then preview your tour. Once you're satisfied, you can go to the Delivery Manager and purchase the option you wish to deliver. Tour and Photos and 3D Pocket website at 15 credits or Photos only at 3 credits. Once you've chosen your selection, you can click on Deliver and it will bring you to an announcement email so you can let your agent or your customer know that the tour is published, or you can choose to skip that step and be brought back to the edit page. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact us at hello@urbanimmersive.com.